Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about making AI videos like this.
He was about to relax, she heard a knock on the door. Her heart sank as she opened it to find Sylvester standing there with a bag. Sylvester stood there, his tall and athletic frame taking up most of the doorway. His deep, expressive eyes had a warmth that could melt the coldest of hearts, and his strong jawline added to his already striking features. With neatly trimmed hair and a confident stance,
Now, see the beauty about this is that at least 70% of this is actually AI generated, AI driven. You just need to do probably just 30% of manual labor, right? And that's what makes this amazing. You understand? And I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos like this nowadays. And this, to be honest, I think this is the easiest video to actually get monetized, right? Because you just fully AI dependent. So stick with me while we do this.
Hi guys, so we have ChatGPT, we have Gemini, we have Copilot, right? Different AIs we could use. Gemini is formerly Google Bard for Google, and ChatGPT, OpenAI, Microsoft Copilot, that's for Microsoft, right? But I usually advise people for Microsoft Copilot, and I don't want to go much details here, but that of this experience will just teach you, right? Copilot has a way of composing nice storylines with nice sense of humor. The arrangements and breakdown is always fascinating, right? So let's get cracking and look for a story to use. So then again, that you can use your storyline however you want to use it. Whatever you put there, it would compose it for you and give you something. It will, So if I hit enter now, so you can see, voila, you get. So what most people do is when you have a storyline that you have in your head, you just put it, you can put it in a scattered way, right? But you just put it there, I want it, this is what I want. Let me just create an African story setting and I want this to happen, this to happen. And it creates a point. So you can see this, right? Village or blah 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 one day. So you just copy this and the next thing you do is to create an audio, right? So now this audio part is tricky. You'll find out that there are a lot of websites that do paid audio enhancements, right? Paid text to speech audio. An example is Speechify that I know, and I know they have one of the best, right? But we have one again that is free, which right is one of the few free ones that we have, which is Baboka, right? If you can download Balaboka, rather, sorry, Balaboka will give you a free text to speech conversion, right? However, for someone like me, I'm not satisfied with it because I always like my AI to talk almost like a human, right? So what I use is something a lot of you will be shocked at, right? I use Edge. So this is the write-up that I generated from the AI. So all I need to do is to save this. But now I'm saving is as a PDF file, right? Save it as a PDF file. So it's just pretty straightforward. You come and you do your save, and while I wait, so I could just do this. Then for my Word file here, I just look for PDF, and it's simple. I save it, right? So once I've saved it, to open it as with Edge browser, right? To open the PDF with Edge browser. Now, don't forget we're talking about the audio part. So okay, so back to this, right? So once it has saved, all I just need to do is to come to the PDF, right? So I'm just using a random PDF, right? So this is Edge. I saved this with Edge. So instead of opening it the way you open it, all you just need to just to open, right click, then you open with I will be opening with the Microsoft Edge, right? So just follow me. This is quite interesting, right? I'll just something to say. So I hit this, then it opens like this, and voila. Okay, so this is the product of our AI, and now let's get cracking. So all I need to do is to um, hit read aloud. So if I hit it,
In a picturesque village in the heart of Ghana, surrounded by rolling hills and vibrant greenery, lived a young woman named Abina. Abina was known for her kindness, beauty, and hardworking nature.
so as you can see, that's amazing, right? So if you also want to change the voice option, we can just come here
and it's this person I'm speaking is Sonia from United Kingdom. So what I use mostly for mine because it's an African tale is Nigeria. So if I scroll down, Germany, Indonesia, I don't want okay, yes, exactly Nigeria, yeah, Abio, and you have S in there. So I mean, let's just do a practice.
Her days were filled with the melodies of birds and the hustle of village life, farming, fetching water from the nearby river, and weaving intricate Kent cloths with her friends.
Yeah, so you can see, I mean, that just basically shows us what we want to say. Um, that is for Nigeria. Now, there's a trick to this. Because you cannot export this, right? There's no way, there's no option for you to export this. And, I mean, you can do the text to speech, but you don't have it as a saved file. So here's the trick that I use. So what I do is, I come here to my voice sound recorder, which is somewhere here. I just hit this guy here and I hit record. While it's recording, I just come here and I play.
Car, the likes of which the villagers had rarely seen. It was driven by Kwame, a successful businessman from Accra, who had come to visit his ancestral home. Kwame, with his
So as you saw there, it was picking up the frequency there. So basically that's how we do this.
So once that is true, I just come here, hit stop. This is the recording. I give it a name I want to name. Whatever I want to name, test. Then I can just hit rename, and yeah, voila, we have it in recording. So I have my audio. I think it comes in an MA4 format, and now we move to creation of the pictures.
For our picture generation, right, we can just come here and put Copilot picture generator. So I mean, yeah, we can hit image generator, image creation in Bing, right? So from here we can just put anything. So let me say African Prince, for example. African Prince. I just put it to about just to get it, full of pictures. So if I hit here, I can select, pictures that I want. If I say I want a man wearing a white shirt holding a bucket, I hit enter. So it's going to give me what I want exactly. So what I just need to just hit this and download. I mean, pretty straightforward, right? And once I download this, then we have our image and everything.
So for a video editing tool, we look at Clipchamp. Clipchamp. So it's a Microsoft free tool for video editing, right? As you can see, this is for installing on Windows. So we're not installing it. I just want to use the web version. So I can quickly just hit on quick and good time. If I hit time in here, it goes. And it's pretty very straightforward. As you can see here, so what I need to do is to create a new video if I want to, right? So we can also look at it here, right? So I mean, it's just if I come here, for example, now and I click on create a new video, so it goes with the interface, and here I can just click on import media and edit my video. So it's also pretty straightforward. And and the best part about it is that it's completely free, right? It is free. Of course, there are premium versions, right? Or where we have, other capabilities. But for the basic thing you want to do, I mean, this is actually okay. And we also have CapCut, but I won't be talking about CapCut on this video because I know CapCut is pretty straightforward. I mean, I believe, most of you guys that use TikTok and the likes, be able to use CapCut for your editing your videos. But if you want a more if you want to do it on your system and you want something different, right? You can also use both CapCut and Clipchamp. So yeah, that's also